Hi guys, my name is Kashif and today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Pubg Lite for PC in any country. Pubg Lite is a lightweight and slimmed down version and it's absolutely free. So without any further ado, let's get started. Head to the Pubg Lite website via the Google Chrome so it automatically translates Thai into English for you to understand, and you will need to do two things here. First, apply for a Pubg ID and second, download the Pubg Lite launcher setup. So let's download the setup file. Simply click on download button on the home page to go to download section and scroll down and click the orange download button to get the Pubg Lite setup. Now you need to click on the apply for ID button on the top right and enter the required credentials to create your account. This is an important step as this Pubg ID will be required to log into the game. And next, head to your email ID or email account and click on the confirm to register link to verify your Pubg ID. So after downloading, now we have to install the Pubg Lite on our PC. So first step is to get a VPN software. Moving on to the installation part, there is one important thing you need to have in mind before you go ahead with a process. Pubg Lite beta is only available right now in Thailand, so you will need a VPN to log in and play the game. I had a premium copy of NordVPN, so I ran with the same. You can check the description link. I have given a premium VPN login details, so go ahead and use that one. Open the VPN of your choice, switch to the Thailand server and start the service. Open the Pubg Lite which you downloaded and use the ID and password you had created before to log in into the launcher. And once you have logged in, the launcher will open and you will notice a huge orange button at the top left. Start the downloading process. After some time, disconnect the VPN because the downloading speeds become very slow. It will be downloaded and the file size is around 1.9 GB. Meanwhile, let me introduce our sponsor for this video, which is Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate. We all get video compatibility issue once in a while. Each device supports a certain amount of formats. As such, there exists a need for video converter, but with so many options to choose from, which one's right for you? Well, let me throw in a name, that is Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate. Let's quickly talk about its key features. Number 1 is multiple format support. The software supports an impressive number of video file formats, including the latest 4K capable codecs like H.265 as well as earlier HD and legacy codec formats. Number 2 is batch video processing. Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate makes converting your video super easy. You can even batch convert a bunch of files at once to the same format using the same setting in the top right. Number 3 is burn video. If you simply want to make a DVD of the video to be shared with friends and family, then the Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate is great. And number 4 is its user experience. The user interface, while looking like an app, is very easy to operate and get used to. I can easily say that the Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate offers the best and fastest conversion rates. All in one, the Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate is a great tool for video conversion and I had a pleasant time using the software. Click the first link of the description to download the Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate. So once the download is complete, just close the launcher and first you will need to change the default location of your Windows PC. I'm assuming you are using the Windows 10, so navigate to settings, then privacy and then location, and under the app permission section, now click on the set default button under the default location option to change the location. You will need to search for Bangkok City, Thailand in the search box and select that location. And then click on the change button to modify the location and click on the change button to modify the default location to Thailand. Now navigate to settings and date and time and change the time zone to UTC +7, which is Bangkok time zone. Well, that's all the steps you will need to follow to start playing PUBG Lite on PC. And as you can see, my PUBG Lite PC is working very flawlessly, and you can turn off the VPN after you will enter into the match. Let's check the settings. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.